Welcome to ABC Kid Show.
Hi kids, welcome back. Today we are going to learn how to make capital K. This is capital K or big K. K for kite. K for kite. Today we will learn how to make capital K with colorful beads. So ready? Let's start with pink color. First of all, we will draw a straight standing line. A standing line. Pink color, yellow color, yellow color, pink color, yellow color. Now we'll make a slanting line upside. K. This is purple color, baby pink color, or light pink color. K. Dark pink color. Similarly, small slanting line downwards. K. Light pink color and pink color. So we have made a beautiful and colorful K. Good job, children. So this is big K. Capital K. K for kite. K for kite. You like to fly kites? Very good. So what comes after K? What is next? Alphabet? Ah, very good. Yes, L. So L comes after K. So in next video, we will learn how to make L with colorful beads. Till then, bye-bye. Keep learning.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.